In today's lesson, we will focus on the integration of IBWave and DASView. The IBWC file is at the heart of the integration, and it is the method to pass data between IBWave and Link Master. You will be able to use the exported IBWC file into LML to collect your scanner and phone data. DASView will process the data and give you an option to export the survey data into a new file. This file can then be brought into your original design and used for model calibration. We will start the detailed description inside IBWave by opening one of the sample files provided. We are looking for a project that has multiple buildings, each one having multiple floors. Here we can see both buildings titled America Square 1 and America Square 2, and each building has floors labeled roof, basement, and floors 1, 2, and 3. To export the IBWC file, navigate to the top and select Survey. There are two options, import a survey and export a collection data file. Select the second option. Select the collection format as the latest version, version 1.8. We will now transition over to LML. Navigate to the plan setting and turn on the in-building option. Click Load IBWC file and select the file that was previously exported from your design. You will have the option to preview the file and choose if you want to include both buildings in your current project. This dialog box will alert you to the fact that the floor numbers are not sequential and that you need to adjust to this. The floor numbers need to be unique for each image. Simply click Auto Set and LML will reorder the floor numbers. Close the plan setting when you're ready. Navigate to the in-building UI and you will now see all of the floors from your IBWave design. Start your measurement and save your log data. In this example, we will create a single log file that will contain the data for all 11 floors. Click Start Floor and start dropping your breadcrumbs as you walk the building. At the end of each floor, click Finish Floor and then select the next floor before you click Start again. Once all of the floors are complete, click on Stop Measurement. The next step is to open the log converter and prepare your data to post-process and to view in DASView. Add your log file and choose your output folder. Be sure that you have checked the Convert for DASView on the main page. the log converter will ask you to locate the IBWC file. Select this file and then click Open. The output from the log converter will be a zip file that contains everything needed for DASView. We can move over to DASView now and create a new project. Drag your zip file into DASView and then let the server process your report. Once the server has your data ready and the report has been authorized, edit the report and assign the operator name to each of the devices. Navigate to the Report tab and then export your survey data into the IBWC format. Now we will move back to your IBWave design file. Click on the Survey option and then import the file that was generated by DASView. The import option is the one on the left. IBWave will let you preview the data if needed, and when ready, click OK. You will now see the pre-install menu option available, and this will show you the data that was collected by LML. Adjust the survey data properties if needed. In this example, you'll see that the display is showing data at specific intervals. We can change this to the raw data option so that more of the map is populated. We hope that this integration will help improve your efficiency and provide you the benefit of automated report generation as well as easy model calibration.